How to start blogging and earn money. I've been blogging for years and I love every moment of it. Blogging helped me find my first job and earn money on the side. When I was learning how to create a blog back in 2006, it took me some time to find all the right information online, and I had to look for it on different websites. That's why I've created this free step-by-step blog tutorial to teach beginners how to make a blog fast and easy. It's not as complicated as many people think. Why you should create a blog and join the blogging community. So below, I'm going to outline exactly what you need to do to get started and set up your own personal blog. Before we dive in though, I really want to talk about why you should build a blog. Note, if you already have a solid idea of the whys, then skip this and go right ahead with the guide. Blogging has quickly become one of the most popular ways of communicating and spreading information and news. There are literally millions of blogs online. Don't worry, you can make yours stand out and get noticed. It's a great way to express yourself and also a fantastic way to share information with others. You become a better person and a better writer. The best reason? You can make money doing it. I bet you already knew all of that, but it's nice to be reminded. The steps covered in this blogging guide, it's nowhere near as difficult as setting up a website from scratch. There's very little technical ability needed here. In fact, there's no coding required by you. Good news, huh? How to start a blog in 5 steps. There are 5 main steps you need to do in order to start a blog. If you follow this guide exactly, you'll have your own blog set up in 30 minutes or less. Choose a great blog platform. Choose a web host for your blog. How to set up a blog on your own domain. Design your new blog. Useful resources for blogging. So, we made it. Phew. Better late than never. So, without further ado, let's jump into step 1. Step 1. Choose your preferred blogging platform. Choosing where you want to build blog is pretty much the first thing you have to do. I'm going to take a leap and assume you've heard of WordPress, and this is the platform I advocate. It's massive. It's by far one of the biggest blogging platforms in the world, with countless plugins and add-ons and almost infinite ways to design and lay out your blog. There are more than 82 million active users of WordPress. Equals a lot, basically. There are other alternatives, however, and they are listed below. Blogger, definitely the next best thing to WordPress. Tumblr, half social network, half blog. Interesting, and very simple to use. Even though WordPress is bigger and probably better than those two, here are my reasons why you should still go with WordPress. Super easy setup and is free to use. Tons of free themes and layouts. I'm not kidding, there are gazillions. There's a massive support forum in case you get stuck. You won't, but it's nice to have it there if you need it. Your blog will be insanely fast and it'll also look functionality and form perfect. People can interact with you easily. Your content can be shared, commented on, and so on. Here's an article about different blogging platforms, including WordPress. Give it a read. How to choose a blogging platform, updated for 2020. Now, step 2, see, we're moving fast now. Step 2, self-hosting or free alternative? Whoa, slow down there. This is the biggest decision you'll have to make before we go any further. You need to decide whether to pay for your blog or grab a free one. WordPress, Tumblr, and Blogger all offer free blogs for anyone. Awesome, right? It's perfect for those of us who aren't super serious about blogging. But it does have downsides. 1. You won't be able to get your own domain name. On a free blog, your blog's web address, your URL, will be but ugly. Like, really ugly. In short, create a free blog with any other the above free blog services and it'll look like this. Yourblog.wordpress.com, yourblog.blogspot.com, yourblog.tumblr.com. I know, ugly, right? 2. Limits and more limits. There are some limits to free blogs. You can't fully monetize it, and you don't have the possibility to upload all those videos and images you want to show everyone. It's all limited. Worse still, you won't even have access to the free themes offered by WordPress. 3. You don't own your blog. It might sound silly at first, but you don't actually own your blog. It's hosted on someone else's web property and they can delete it if they want to. They have done so in the past, and keep doing it in the future. Which means all your hard work on your blog, all those countless hours of writing blog posts might have vanished within seconds. Sad. On the other hand, with a self-hosted blog on your own domain name, you are the real owner of your blog. You'll be able to name your blog whatever you want, for example, yourname.com or yourawesomeblog.com. You can end it with .com, .co.uk, .net, .org, or virtually any other web suffix. Add to that unlimited bandwidth for videos, images, and content plus the free themes and you have a winning combo. So how much is hosting and a domain name? Not as much as you're thinking, fortunately. It usually works out to about $5 to $10 per month, depending on your hosting provider, which is less than a couple of coffees. If you still have questions, here's some further information for you to look at. Should I choose a hosted or non-hosted blogging platform? Step 3. Start a blog on your own domain. If you chose self-hosting and a custom domain, WordPress blogging platform. I'm going to push ahead based on the premise you've chosen WordPress, and if you haven't, you should. Seriously, it's the best. If you're still a little confused by what a self-hosted blog is, allow me to explain and how you can go about setting one up for yourself. You'll need to come up with a domain name you like and also choose a hosting company that can host your blog. Domain. The domain is basically the URL of your website. Examples: google.com, google.com is the domain, facebook.com, facebook.com is the domain. See. Simple. Hosting. Hosting is basically the company that puts your website up on the internet so everyone else can see it. Everything will be saved on there. Think of it as a computer hard drive on the internet where your blog will be saved. Disclosure: I recommend using loyalwebsite.com for web hosting. If you click through one of my links and make a purchase, I will receive a commission, which helps me keep up and running. Personally, I use HostGator for my blog domain and hosting, and I've got nothing but good things to say about it. It's probably one of the cheapest, less than $3.95 per month, hosting providers out there. A domain name will cost around $10 minus $15 a year, but with loyalwebsite.com, you can get that for free first year. If you do sign up with loyalwebsite.com, be sure to use this unlock the maximum discount they offer on all their hosting packages. Closing parenthesis dot. Big smiles for that. They're the providers I use for all of my blogs, including the one you're reading right now. If for any reason you don't want to go with loyalwebsite.com, feel free to choose your own hosting company. Most, if not all of them, should have a one-click WordPress install solution on their admin panel. That button will automatically install WordPress on your blog. Did I say it was simple or what? All you need to do is sign up with loyalwebsite.com, choose your hosting plan and a domain name and look for the one-click WordPress install button on the admin panel. If you are getting stuck at any point, this guide may help as it has screenshots. WordPress essentials aren't often needed, but I'd recommend Hoist Privacy, that will keep all your personal details private, and definitely automated backups, that'll save your website just in case anything fails or disappears so you won't lose any or very little of your blog. Once WordPress is installed on your website, all you have to do to start blogging is go to your WP admin page, usually www.yourblognamehere.com/wp-admin, and start writing by adding a new post. At the start, the layout looks confusing, but it gets very understandable quickly. Don't worry. Step 4: Designing your WordPress blog. Now, the fun bit. Let's make your blog look exactly how you want it to. To choose a new theme, you can either head to Appearance Themes and install a free WordPress theme, or you can head to a premium theme website like ThemeForest and buy a theme for around $40. I usually choose something that looks professional and pretty easy to customize. WordPress also has this awesome feature that allows you to change themes with just a few clicks. So if you start getting tired of your current blog template, you can just switch to another one without losing any precious content or images. Remember, your blog's design should reflect both you and your personality, but also what the blog is about. There's no point having a football-orientated theme if your blog is about tennis, understand? On top of that, it should be easy to navigate if you want people to stick around. If it's tricky and difficult to move around it, people won't stay. After all, design is a subjective art, meaning everyone likes different things. But no one likes ugly websites, and they especially hate websites that need a university degree to navigate. Make it easy for them. For more reading, I've put together 3 blog posts about designing your blog. Feel free to check them through. Blog design: keep it clutter-free and user-friendly advice for blog design and blog goals. If don't know how to design your blog, don't worry, WeLoyalWebsite.com helps you to design your blog for free. All you need to do is just contact us via email at contact@loyalwebsite.com. We will help you to start design your website for free. Useful resources for beginner bloggers. Bloggers come to blogging arena with varying degrees of online and social media experience, but we've all made more than a few newbie mistakes. There's always room for more learning and improvement, whether you're a beginner or you've been blogging for years. These video may help you avoid some of the growing pains when it comes to your first blog. Enjoy. And that's it. I'm more than confident that your initial blog setup should now be finished and ready to go, and all that should have been really damn easy, unlike my first time. Lucky you. If you are having any problems installing WordPress on your website, please contact us. WeLoyalWebsite.com helps you to set up your blog for free. If by some unfortunate circumstance you get stuck or have any questions for me about how to create a blog, just get in touch with me or contact me via email. I'll help you out with any problems. Go to loyalwebsite.com and claim your domain name for free. How to register a domain name for free. If you want to register a domain name to start a blog or make a website, then this is the best option for you. Normally, a domain name costs $14.99 per year and website hosting plans start from $7.99 per month. This is a lot of money if you are just starting out. Luckily, LoyalWebsite.com has agreed to offer our users a free domain name, SSL certificate, and 60% discount on web hosting. Basically, you can pay $3.95 per month for web hosting, and you will get a domain name for free, so you can start your website without a lot of money. To get your website up and running, you'll need to purchase web hosting, which is typically offered by the same companies that provide domain registration. Hosting gives your website a place to live on the internet. It's possible to set up a website yourself, but unless you're a designer or web developer, you can expect a pretty steep learning curve. If you have the budget, consider hiring a professional to help you with some or all of the following: configuring the site to look the way you want and include the features you need, creating and inserting a logo, optimizing the site for search engines, and creating text and images. For more information, watch this video by Founder with a detailed explanation of what it takes to set up website and develop it. Once you've chosen a name and business structure, filed paperwork with the state and set up your website, you're ready to get going with your online business. Remember that the internet is a busy place and you can't sit back and wait for customers to come to you. Look for ways to actively promote your business through online advertising, social media, and old-fashioned word of mouth. Need any help deciding which business structure is right for you? Still confused? Don't worry, WeLoyalWebsite.com will help you to set up fully finished website. For more detail, contact us on email, contact@loyalwebsite.com. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.